Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abinaya Vijayakumar. I am a doctor and a motherhood empowerment coach. For those of you watching me for the first time, I take positive pregnancy classes where I teach mothers to stay active, positive and confident throughout their pregnancy and also to connect with the baby in the womb through simplified Garb Sanskar techniques. For more details, check out my Instagram page or connect with me through email. I'll provide the links in the description. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about what is the recommended water intake for pregnant women on a day-to-day basis. Water is an essential fluid in our everyday activity. If water intake is not up to the optimum level, it leads to various complications including urinary tract infection, dehydration, constipation, etc. Especially in pregnant women, if the water intake is not up to the optimum level, it leads to various chain of consequences. On a day-to-day basis, pregnant women are advised to take at least 3 to 3.5 liters of water, irrespective of hot, cold, rainy, summer, winter, etc. Our human body is made up of at least 70% of water. But decreased water intake can lead to dehydration from the cellular level, which leads to fatigue, dehydration, increases the risk of urinary tract infection, constipation, heartburn, etc. To remember it in a much granular level, at least 8 to 12 glasses of water per day is optimum for every pregnant woman on a day-to-day basis. What are all the benefits of adequate water consumption in pregnancy? As I told you earlier, water keeps us hydrated throughout the day. When the hydration is up to the optimum level, this prevents the chances of fatigability. On the other hand, when the water intake is very low, this easily leads to dehydration, fatigability, mood swings, etc. Next, adequate water intake decreases the chances of constipation, which is a nightmare for every pregnant woman. It also reduces the heartburn, vomiting sensation, and promotes digestion in the pregnant women. Optimum water intake is essential for maintenance of amniotic fluid around your baby. If the water intake decreases, there is a chance that AFI also decreases, which leads to various complications during pregnancy for the mother and for the baby. Adequate water intake also reduces the chances of hemorrhoids or hemorrhoids getting severe during the pregnancy. When there is an optimum intake of water of 3 to 3.5 liters every single day, this also reduces the chances of urinary tract infection in every pregnant woman. Adequate hydration also reduces the swelling from our body and also reduces the headache which the pregnant woman gets often. Moving on to the tips and tricks of water intake. The biggest mistake that I see in pregnant women is they forget to take water throughout the day, and by the evening they rush the fluids, because of which they feel very much bloated and vomiting and nauseous and come back to me and say, "Doctor, whenever I take water, I feel nauseous, I feel like throwing up." The problem is not with the water but how you take the water. So always I advise the pregnant women to divide your water intake throughout the day, starting from the morning till midnight, and do not force yourself with too much of water by the end of the day. So these hacks can help you take water on an optimum level throughout the day, starting from morning till night. There are also some water reminder apps that you can download in your phone, which you can use it so that it reminds you of water intake if you are that person who forgets to take water often. I'll also provide the links to the water reminder apps in the description. Kindly check it out. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and press on that notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos in my channel. Until I meet you in the next video, stay happy, stay mommified.